All right, week 1, day 7 quick boost. So today I want you to think about what are some hurdles that you face this week or some things that you can foresee being an interference with for the next 7 weeks. A lot of times when we get busy in our daily schedule, it's very easy to say, okay, I missed the main activity for today, but I'll try to catch up tomorrow, and then something happens tomorrow. So there's certain things in life that we just can't get around, and that's just life. We all have busy schedules, but I want you to really start thinking as we close out this week and go into week 2, what are some things that you can foresee being a hurdle to you doing the main activity for each day with this program? And then what are some strategies? Do you need to wake up a little bit earlier to complete the strategy for today, the main activity for today? Or do you need to set aside time in the evening to complete the main activity for today? These are the things that you want to start thinking about, because it's very easy to miss a day and then to miss another day. And then yesterday I talked about momentum. Before you know it, we have momentum in the wrong way of missing days and try to play catch up. So the reason I wanted to close out this first week with this topic is, along these next 7 weeks, we're going to find that we face obstacles, and some days it's going to be harder to do the main activity. But we're building consistency. So one of the things that's going to help with that is foreseeing before it happens. Oh, okay, Tuesdays are a busy day for me to do my exercise box. Let me see how I can maneuver this ahead of time. The reason why I make these so short, like the workouts so far about 15 minutes or so, is because I want you to get used to doing something, even if it's not long. If you have time to do it twice or to do an advanced version of whatever the main activity is, great. But I want to make this so easy each day, or simple each day, that you're able to complete it and have something to show for the rest of the day. So that's the quick boost for today. Great job this week. I'm very proud of you. I'm proud of myself doing this with you. And we're just going to jump right into week 2. Have a good one.